Ever wished you could automate your content workflow the second new blog posts or articles appear online? Today, we're diving deep into how to connect RSS feeds to Zapier and unlock a world of automated possibilities. First things first, head over to Zapier and click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. In the search bar for your trigger app, type in RSS by Zapier and select it from the results. This is our source of incoming content. For our event, we'll choose New Item in Channel. This tells Zapier to look for new entries in your RSS feed. Now, you'll need to enter the RSS feed URL of the website or blog you want to monitor. You can usually find this on the website itself, often at the bottom or in a dedicated RSS section pasted into the feed URL field. Once that's done, click Test Trigger. Zapier will attempt to fetch the latest entry from your RSS feed, confirming the connection is working. With our trigger set up, it's time for the action in the next search bar. Think about where you want this new content to go. For example, let's say you want to add every new article to a Google Sheet. Search for Google Sheets and select it. For the action event, we'll select Create Spreadsheet Row. This will automatically add the new RSS item as a new row in your chosen spreadsheet. Here's where you map the information from your RSS feed to the columns in your Google Sheet. You can select fields like the title, link, or description from your RSS feed, and tell Zapier which column they should go into. This ensures your data is organized neatly. Again, it's a good practice to click Test Action to see if Zapier can successfully create a row in your Google Sheet with sample data from the RSS feed. Finally, review your setup and hit Publish Zap. Your RSS feed is now connected, and Zapier will automatically perform your chosen action every time new content appears in your feed. You can explore countless other apps like Slack, Twitter, or even email services to create powerful content automation workflows.